Hello everyone, it is the month of May 2024. Off We Go is headed to Hamilton Farms located in West Virginia.
The trees are so green, birds are chirping loudly, and flowers are blooming.
The views are beautiful and the weather is absolutely gorgeous.
All of this makes for perfect views.
We are in the Allegheny Plateau and wildlife abounds.
A breathtaking farm where the horses were so sweet. The hosts at Hamilton Farms are really nice and friendly. The farm is out of a picture book, and the Frisian horses are both majestic and gentle.
We set up PeeWee, our Squaredrop trailer, after a short rain. Our clam traveler was up in 5 minutes, and we were relaxing and enjoying the view in our strongback chairs.
Next was the Sylvan Sport Outdoor Camp Kitchen. Easy to set up and plenty of counter space to prepare great meals. This is my favorite kitchen table.
During the night, it was so quiet and peaceful without the internet connection. We heard a whippoorwill, such a lovely song. Whippoorwills are not heard as often as they once were, and sometimes we could hear the horses in the barn saying goodnight to one another.
Good morning, everyone. This is our second day at the Hamilton Farm.
We have some great footage to share with you. Now we're heading to the West Virginia State Capitol. The West Virginia State Capitol is the seat of government for the state and houses the legislature and the office of the governor. The construction of the present Capitol took 8 years to complete at a cost of just under $10 million and was dedicated in 1932. The building is really big and unique.
We visited the West Virginia State Capitol nearby, a beautiful building, and treated ourselves to some Southern cooking. The food was good and more than we could eat, and our waitress was the embodiment of Southern hospitality. So guys, that's all from us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch past episodes and the ones to follow.
We'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.